Hey everyone, how are you doing? Welcome back to Talkino. I'm Mobina, and I'm so excited you're here with us today.
Hi, everyone. I'm Alex. It's great to have you here again. We hope you're having a nice day or night wherever you are in the world.
Today, we're going to talk about a really special technique, something that can help you speak English more fluently and sound more natural.
That's right. This technique is simple but very powerful. It's something that many English learners use every day to improve their pronunciation and speaking skills.
Exactly. The technique is called shadowing. It may sound like a big word, but don't worry. By the end of this episode, you'll know exactly what it means and how to use it.
You know, Mobina, a lot of learners say, I understand English, but I can't speak easily. Or, I feel shy when I speak because my pronunciation isn't good.
Yes, I've heard that too. And that's completely normal. Learning to speak takes time, but shadowing can really help you build confidence and train your mouth and ears to work together.
That's right. Shadowing is not just listening, and it's not just repeating. It's a smart way to practice speaking while you listen.
And it's great because you can do it anywhere, at home, on the bus, while walking, or even when you're cooking.
Yes, sometimes I shadow English podcasts while I make breakfast. It's a fun way to practice without feeling bored.
So, in today's episode, we'll first talk about what shadowing is, then we'll show you how to do it step by step, and finally, we'll talk about why it's so effective and how you can use it every day.
And later, we'll also practice together. We'll ask some simple questions, speak slowly, and give you time to repeat with us.
Yes, so you can shadow our voices right here in the podcast. It's going to be fun and very helpful.
All right, are you ready to begin?
Let's do it. Let's start by understanding what shadowing really means and why so many learners love it. Can you explain exactly how people should do shadowing step by step?
Sure. Shadowing means listening to someone speaking English and repeating what they say almost at the same time. It's like you are their shadow. You follow their words, their voice, and even their emotion.
Right. So it's not just repeating later. You repeat while you listen, right?
Exactly. You don't wait until the speaker finishes. You listen and speak at the same time. That's why it's called shadowing. It's a little difficult at first, but it gets easier if you practice every day.
I see. So, how can learners start doing it? Should they listen to any video or podcast?
Good question. At the beginning, it's better to choose short and slow audios, maybe 1 or 2 minutes long. You can use English podcasts, short dialogues, or even parts of movies with subtitles. First, listen to it once, just to understand the meaning. Then listen again and try to speak together with the speaker.
That makes sense. So, first, understand, then repeat at the same time.
Yes, and don't worry if you can't say every word. It's okay to miss a few. The goal is to sound like the speaker, to copy their rhythm, stress, and pronunciation. You can use headphones, listen carefully, and speak out loud, even if you're alone.
I like that part. Even if you're alone. Many learners feel shy or afraid to speak, but shadowing is great because you can do it privately. No one is watching you.
Exactly. You can practice anywhere, in your room, on a walk, even while cooking. Just listen, repeat, and move your mouth. It helps your tongue and brain get used to English sounds.
That's really useful. Sometimes I tell my students, if you want to sound more natural, don't just learn English, copy English. And shadowing helps you copy like a native speaker.
That's a great tip. Shadowing is like training your mouth and ears to work together. It improves pronunciation, listening, and even confidence. But the key is to do it regularly, every day for 10 or 15 minutes.
Yes, consistency is everything. Maybe it's hard the first few times, but after a week, you'll feel the difference.
Absolutely. When you shadow often, you start to think in English faster. Your speech becomes smoother and your accent sounds clearer.
I think the best part is that it's simple. You don't need any teacher or expensive app, just your voice and a good recording.
Exactly. And you can choose topics you enjoy, maybe songs, movies, or podcasts like Talkino. That way, it doesn't feel like study, it feels like fun.
That's true. When learning is fun, you remember more.
So, to sum up, 1. Choose short, slow audios. 2. Listen once for meaning. 3. Listen again and repeat together with the speaker. 4. Focus on rhythm and pronunciation. 5. Do it every day.
Perfect summary. Now that we understand how to do shadowing, maybe in the next part, we can talk about why it's so powerful and what benefits it has.
Yes, let's do that, because there are so many amazing effects, especially for speaking and confidence.
If you enjoyed this video so far, don't forget to subscribe to Talkino.
And click the bell icon so you won't miss our next episodes.
Also, share this video with your friends. All right, everyone, let's practice shadowing together. We'll talk about our weekend plans. Listen carefully and repeat after us.
Mobina, what do you usually do on weekends?
On weekends, I usually wake up a little later than usual. I like to start my day slowly with a cup of coffee in my favorite mug. Sometimes I listen to music while reading a short story or checking my messages. It helps me feel relaxed and ready for the day.
That sounds nice. Do you often meet your friends?
Yes, I do. Usually we go to a coffee shop or a small cafe near my house. We talk about our week, share funny stories, and sometimes plan a short trip together. I really enjoy these moments because they make me happy and relaxed.
Cool. And what about outdoor activities? Do you like going outside?
Definitely. On sunny days, I often go to the park to walk. I like to listen to my favorite songs while walking. And sometimes I take photos of trees or the sky. It's peaceful and gives me energy for the new week.
That's a good way to relax. Do you do anything creative on weekends?
Yes, I love drawing and painting in my free time. Sometimes I try new styles or techniques I learned online. It's fun and also helps me focus and feel calm. Creativity always makes my weekend more interesting and enjoyable.
What's your favorite part of the weekend?
My favorite part is usually Saturday afternoon. That's when I meet my friends, drink coffee, and talk for hours. Sometimes we also play board games or watch a movie together. It's relaxing and makes me forget all stress from the week.
Amazing. Now, everyone listening, try shadowing these sentences with us. Repeat slowly, part by part, and feel the rhythm of English.
Well, that's the end of today's episode. I hope you enjoyed practicing shadowing with us today. Remember, it's not about being perfect, it's about getting better, step by step.
That's right. Every time you listen and repeat, your pronunciation, your confidence, and your fluency grow a little more. Even 5 or 10 minutes a day can make a big difference over time.
And don't forget, you can shadow anything you like. Your favorite podcast, a movie scene, or even a song. When you enjoy what you're listening to, learning becomes so much easier.
Exactly. And we're really proud of you for staying with us till the end. You've done a great job today. So keep going, keep learning, and keep speaking out loud.
If you found this episode helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Talkino on YouTube. It really helps us keep creating more free lessons for you.
And hit that little bell icon so you won't miss our next episode. We've got more fun and useful shadowing practices coming soon.
Also, if you think your friends might enjoy learning English this way, share this video with them. Maybe you can even practice together.
That's a great idea. Learning with friends makes it more fun and motivating.
Thank you so much for listening to Talkino today. You're doing amazing, and we're so happy to be part of your English journey.
Take care, keep practicing, and remember, every word you say brings you closer to fluency.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone!